Welcome to our guide on using zebra settings with the Nikon Z50. Zebra is a powerful tool that helps you achieve perfect exposure in your photos and videos. Let's explore how to use this feature effectively. Here's an example of overexposure. Notice the zebra stripes over the bright sky? This indicates that the area is too bright, risking loss of detail. Now, let's look at underexposure. See the zebra stripes over the shadows? It means these areas are too dark, potentially losing important details. Finally, here's a shot with correct exposure. Now let's dive into how to set up zebra settings on your camera. First, access the camera menu by selecting the menu button. Then scroll down to the custom setting menu section, Movie. Choose Highlight Display. Here, you can choose the brightness level to be highlighted in your preview. Set the zebra level so that objects with high brightness are highlighted in the preview. This will help you avoid overexposure and preserve details in bright areas of the image. Now, you're ready to use zebra settings on the Nikon Z50 camera to capture professional photos with perfect exposure.